We'll guide you through how to log into Gmail on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail website by typing mail.google.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, you'll see a blue sign-in button in the top right corner. Click on it. Now, you'll be taken to the Google account sign-in page. Here, you need to enter your email address or phone number that's associated with your Google account. After you've entered your email, click Next. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're entering the correct email for the account you want to access. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully, as it's case sensitive. If you're using a public or shared computer, it's a good idea to uncheck the Stay Signed In option for security. Once your password is entered, click Next or press Enter. If you've enabled two-factor authentication on your account, you'll need to complete that step as well, which could be a code sent to your phone or another method you've set up. After successfully entering the correct information, you'll be logged into your Gmail inbox. You can now read, send, and organize your emails. If you have trouble remembering your password, there's a Forgot Password link on the sign-in page to help you reset it. And that's it, you're all set to use Gmail. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.